Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I'm in the house with the Vero Engineering Axon here with me for a quick review. We're gonna check it out real quick, but don't forget to like this video, and maybe don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you like this stuff that I'm bringing to you. So let's quickly check the size of this guy, because this is gonna be around 8 inches overall in length, or in metric system is gonna be 20 centimeters, and this guy has a 3.25 inch long blade, which translates into 8.2 centimeters, with a 4.5 inch long handle, which is 11.5 centimeters. So it's not a small guy, it's like a medium full-size knife. It's very well made liner lock, micarta scales. So you've got a full titanium stone washed back spacer, tip up carry only, titanium pocket clip, almost dip carry. You see, this guy just is gonna stick out like that much. Simple construction. You've got 2 handle screws, just a nice pivot going on, and then you have, of course, your M390 blade. Love how they left the overall look of the blade super clean. Vero is engraved on the spine of the blade. You've got these cutouts, which are kind of like blasted, and they're gonna allow you to do like your thumb flick, or you're gonna do like your spidey flick action really easily. Very interesting knife, guys. This is I mean, look at this blade shape, the belt lines of when they ground this flat area over here. Nice wedge going on, intersecting the flats on the blade like that, inside the cutout. Nice jimping. I mean, it's nicely done. I can see the work that went into this one. They even went ahead and like the extra mile, I think, because they even skeletonized the liners on the inside. So you see, to reduce some weight, maybe you can see from this side. There's also like stainless steel lock face insert, because these are titanium liners. So really cool indeed. It's a numbered edition. Let's just quickly check the weight on this guy, because it's not that heavy, I have to say. Like, these micarta scales are doing a great job containing the weight at 3.72 ounces. So really good indeed. It's the price, it depends, because in the secondary market now they are fetching a little bit higher price tag, but I think this guy is like in the $300 range, 350. It depends. Like from the website, maybe can be 400. It depends on the configuration as well. You can choose a lot of different options for this pretty cool guy. And I mean, in the hand it feels really good. There's a little bit of hot spot from the clip, and the action is very satisfying. You can, of course, front flip it as well. And if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.